Is it time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we are diving deep into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 6.71%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 0.84% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 17.36% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 17.36% to 50.46%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 17.28%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 17.36% to 47.10% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $301.99 and $537.56. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike reveals a notable decline. CrowdStrike's stock price experienced a drop of 6.34% on Wednesday. On that day, the CrowdStrike stock price decreased by 6.34%, falling from $390.16 to $365.44. Throughout the trading session, the stock fluctuated by 7.09%, reaching a low of $343.01 and a high of $367.32. The stock has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, totaling an 18.82% decrease during this period. Interestingly, trading volume increased by 8 million shares on this day, despite the falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slightly elevated risk in the coming days. In total, 16 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $5.8 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $455.43, while the lowest price recorded was $200.81. Currently, the price sits 19.76%, or $89.99, below the 52-week high of $455.43, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. CrowdStrike, trading under the symbol CRWD, faces significant pressure today, with shares dropping nearly 10% following an earnings report. While the report exceeded expectations for the fourth quarter, it included disappointing profit guidance. The company anticipates earnings per share of 64 to 66 cents for the first quarter of 2025, falling well short of the consensus estimate of 95 cents. This negative guidance has triggered a wave of sell-offs, impacting investor sentiment. Despite the short-term turbulence, the long-term outlook for CrowdStrike remains promising. Analysts observe that as cyber threats continue to escalate, and with the acceleration of digital transformation, the cybersecurity sector is well positioned for growth. CrowdStrike has shown strong momentum in its deal cycle, with forecasts suggesting another record-setting year ahead. For investors, the current dip may present an opportune moment to invest in a company expected to rebound as it capitalizes on the rising demand for cybersecurity solutions. However, the immediate price action indicates a need for caution, as investors process both the disappointing guidance and the implications of increased operational costs due to recent outages. Ultimately, while today's results may affect CRWD's short-term performance, the ongoing necessity for robust cybersecurity solutions suggests a sustained growth trajectory in the longer term. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 5th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned CRWD a cautious grade along with a downgrade action. On the same day, Citigroup awarded CR buy grade while maintaining a hold action. Also on that day, Scotiabank rated CRWD as sector perform with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, RBC Capital gave CRWD an outperform grade, also with a hold action. Finally, on Tuesday, the 24th of December 2024, Goldman Sachs provided CRWD with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned CrowdStrike stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for CrowdStrike. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. CrowdStrike stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance at levels of $383.22 and $399.68. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 19.75%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 25 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 85 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 86 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike finds support from accumulated volume at $362.29. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $24.31 between its high and low, which represents a change of 7.09%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.23%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This exceptionally high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of June 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 94 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $390.16. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike encounters its first support level at $362.29. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Gandhi Samir K., who bought and sold 1,381 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 63.119. In total, insiders purchased 293,026 shares and sold 1,314,684 shares during the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? The CrowdStrike stock exhibits several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that CrowdStrike will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is unfavorable. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 6th of March, we predict that CrowdStrike will open lower by $6.85, beginning trading at $358.59. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.